Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by verifying the battery health percentage and noting baseline capacity so you can measure improvement. Once done, plug in with the original or certified charger to avoid excessive voltage swings that stress cells. Make sure to set a charge cap at 80 to 90% and turn on any optimized charging option. This reduces high voltage time and slows chemical wear. Also, avoid charging to 100% routinely. Do this only when you need full range for a long trip. You should adopt daily habits that limit stress on the battery. Keep device temperature moderate because heat accelerates degradation. Once you manage temperature, enable low power or battery saver modes and reduce display brightness. These lower draw and avoid deep discharge cycles. Make sure to disable background app refresh and unused radios like Bluetooth when not needed, and prefer Wi-Fi over cellular to lower constant power spikes. Over time, these adjustments decrease cycle depth and cumulative wear, extending usable battery life. You finish by scheduling maintenance. Routinely use shallow cycles, charging between 20 and 80% to minimize full cycle count, which preserves capacity. Once a month, let the battery drop to around 10–20% and charge fully to recalibrate the percentage estimator, and always install OS updates because they often include power management fixes. If you notice sudden rapid drain, check for rogue apps and background activity. Restart or reset settings, and if the problem persists, consider a professional battery replacement as the final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.